This Hirschi Realtors property video is presented by Sandie Hadsell. Absolutely perfect corner lot home in Midwestern Farm. Updated luxury carpet installed recently and fresh paint throughout. Kitchen has open concept with breakfast bar. Large walk-in pantry and laundry area. Spacious master bedroom that is currently being used for the sewing room. Great master bath with separate vanity and walk-in closet. Secondary bedrooms are roomy with walk-in closets. Enjoy the large backyard with covered patio. For more information, review the details below or contact Sandie Hadsell at 940-692-8120.